surge is a term which explains a big movement. It's a big wave instantly come into you or the place. It's the surge, and also some kind of inner feelings that you feel is also the surge, like feeling of surge. That's that instantly or kind of you feel very strongly. It's kind of surge, and as like a human surge, physical kind of movement, and you can see many people moving. It's also human surge. In terms of surge, while I'm doing the city mapping, especially focusing on a local context in the region, as we have some restrictions going on around the roads, and go to travel come into Tokyo is restricted at the moment by the government stuff. So as long as we focus on the context of local, I don't actually encounter the scenery of surge. That surge you may encounter if the metropolitan city like Tokyo used to happening the human surge and the surge of things, surge feelings, like big movement, big waving. So with the restrictions of the time of this winter, the term surge I don't actually encounter during mappings. Alright, so it means to say that researching the city with the restrictions of physical movement and human direct encountering in the physical stuff is restricted. So at this time of this situations that actually the surge, the term of surge, the notion of surge is not actually out there. By the way, over there is NITTSU places that they collect all of the used fridge, computers, and television, used television, and washing machine, used washing machine. These 4 items was there at the NITTSU Tachikawa, and then they collect and they keep in order and then they bring to the factory. Each factory, for example, if the Hitachi washing machine, the truck brings to the Hitachi factory, and that's the place where that all the used for goods of electronic for goods that are going to be recycled at the factory. Yeah, that's the place over there. By the way, shopping malls never get overcrowded during this winter, right? Which means that the surge the term that I usually take this term when I discover the metropolitan city, but in this particular case of winter, the notion of surge is not out there actually, and LaLaport